what sets us apart. It's our experience and product knowledge, teamwork and get-it-done attitude, and a commitment to our customers' success. It's our relationships with our customers, suppliers, communities, and each other. Hydradyne is focused on understanding our customers, supplying what they need, when and where they need it, keeping our customers working, solving problems and fixing systems, and turning ideas into real-life solutions. From design and fabrication to installation and support, Hydradyne is about providing customers with the expertise and service they need in all areas of fluid power and motion control. Professionalism in all things, a drive to be the best, and at the end of the day, pride in the job well done. That is Hydradyne.